Here's how you can link your Instagram account to Clubhouse. First of all, you need to install the Clubhouse application from Play Store or App Store according to your device. Click on Install, and once it is installed in your device, go ahead and launch it. And then after, log in or sign in to this application using your mobile number. And after you complete the verification, you will be logged into your account immediately. From the homepage, tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your profile. And then after, click on the settings icon that is beside the share option. Tap on it. Now, click on your profile. Click on the name in the top center. From all these options over here, drag your attention to Connect Instagram. Tap on Connect Instagram and then enter your credentials, that is your username and your password, and you will be able to connect your Instagram to your Clubhouse. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.